Hello, this is Emmanuel with My Little Cookbook, and today we're going to be looking at a Nespresso Frother. I'm going to show you all of the settings that's on it, and we're going to make a cup of coffee. So let's get right to it. Alrighty, so this little button right here, it makes a cold froth. This button makes hot milk. This button makes cappuccino, and this one makes macchiato. If you don't know what all the coffee terms mean, you can look them up online. It basically means whether or not you're using milk or froth, or basically you're just it's just how much milk, how much froth, and then all those extras like caramel sauce and everything. That's all up to you, but this is basically just for milk and froth, and this one makes just froth. And there's a little max fill line in here. You've got the top max fill line and the bottom. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but if you had one of these things, it'll say max line, 2 of them, and you fill it up to the bottom max line for froth, fill it up to the top max line for froth and milk. So we're gonna test it out right now. All right, so we just got some milk. We're gonna fill it up to the first max line. And just replace the cap on it and press the button. It takes about a minute, but once it stops blinking, you'll have yourself some froth to put on top of your coffee. Alrighty, so it just stopped frothing, and we're gonna open up the lid and see what we got. So it went in liquid milk, and now what we have is this nice froth, just like they give you at those expensive coffee shops. So we have a cup of coffee here. It should be espresso, but this is just strong coffee, and all you do is you take it, you put whatever you would want to put in it, like if you want to put caramel sauce, if you want to put some French vanilla creamer, make your coffee the way you want it, and then you add froth like this right on top, and this just boosts your morning coffee to the max extreme. Look at this. Serve this up to friends on just on a regular day with some froth in it, maybe some milk froth, and you know, your coffee's on a whole other level. Check us out on my website. It's www.mylittlecookbookforyou.com, and we'll have a blog post about this Nespresso Frother on there as well. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.